Hi everybody, I'll be doing this video on how to solve simple ordinary annuity future value word problems that only last 3 minutes. Unless you pause it because it will no longer be 3 minutes. So stay focused and don't get lost in confusion. Snap your brain cells and let's go! Yoo-hoo! Simple annuity is an annuity where the payment interval is the same as the interest period. Here are some definitions of terms/variables. You can just pause the video and now let's solve for simple ordinary annuity. Problem. Mrs. Saliman commits to monthly payments of 40,000 pesos for her home mortgage for 20 years. The loan carries an annual interest rate of 6.8% compounded monthly. Determine the total cost of her house. To solve the problem, we will follow some rules and steps. Step 1. Identify the problem. The problem is an ordinary annuity because the payments are made at the end of each payment interval, and the problem is also a future value because the problem asks us to determine the total cost of her house. Step 2. Identify and gather the given. Big letter R is equals to 40,000 pesos. Small letter r is equals to 6.8% turned into decimal 0.068. T is 20 years, M is 12, N is equals to T times M, so 20 times 12 is 240, N is 240, while J is equals to R over M, so 0.068 over 12 is equals to 0.00566667, that's J. Step 3. The formula. We will be using the future value formula, which is F is equals to R times the quantity of 1 plus J raised to N minus 1 over J. Step 4. Solution. Let's have a race. First to finish wins 100 pesos. Just plug in the values and solve it by following the PEMDAS rule. So F is equals to 40,000 times the quantity of 1 plus 0.00566667 raised to 240 minus 1 over 0.00566667, and that will give you 20,338,351.85, and looks like I'm the winner. Step 4. Final answer. Write your final answer with its proper description. So F is equals to 20,338,351.85 pesos is the total cost of her house, Mrs. Aleman's house. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for future videos. I told you it's just 3 minutes.